Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable airplane mode on Microsoft Surface Pro 9. And to do this, we can click on the Wi-Fi sign right here on the bottom right corner of our screen, and there's an airplane mode. Enable it with when it's blue, it means that it's enabled, and when it's white like this, it's disabled. And when you enter this option, that means you will disconnect from the Wi-Fi, and also all of the Bluetooth devices will be disconnected. Now, other way to do it is to open our Start, head on to the settings, enter network and internet, and here it is airplane mode. We can turn it on and off. But right here, we can also do something else. So enter the airplane mode settings, and you can activate which of the wireless devices will be turned off. So you can set Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to disable or enable when you activate this setting. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.